Hey guys, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to force restart your iPhone using just the buttons. Now, this is something you want to do if the screen isn't working, touch isn't working, if it's frozen, unresponsive. We'll just need to use the buttons in order to do a force restart without losing any of our data. So in order to do this, first thing is you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button. We're going to quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down before holding on to this lock button or the side button until you see the screen go completely black and an Apple logo has appeared. At that time, you'll let go of that side button. So all just using buttons, it's going to be volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to that side button just like that. And again, you do not need to touch the screen at all. Just keep on holding that side button, and all it's going to do is shut down the phone and then reload the code once you see the Apple logo appear. Again, you may need to do it a few times to get the hang of it. Just press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to that side button until you see the Apple logo appear. And you can do it as many times as you need to without losing any of your data. And this is Apple's #1 troubleshooting steps when it comes to fixing most software and even some hardware related issue on your iPhone. And I hope this video is helpful fixing any problems you're having with your iPhone. If so, please do consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.